Alright, everybody, so this video is going to talk about how to multiply two binomials, but most people are just going to see this as FOIL, so there you go. If you're looking for that, that's what this is. So first we're going to talk really quickly about why we have to do this the way that we do this. So essentially, when we have two parentheses next to each other, we're multiplying. So if there's something next to a parentheses, that means you need to look at what's inside the parentheses first, right? And then we need to multiply those two things. So if I'm following PEMDAS, I look inside my parentheses and I say y minus 8. I know I can't combine the y and the 8. And then I have y plus 8, and I know I can't combine the y and 8 again. So I know that I need to just go and multiply those things together. Now, with this type of question, there's a very specific way to do that. And that is called FOIL. All right, so that stands for first, outside, inside, and then last. And that's describing the order in which you are going to multiply everything together. I'm going to put this on the side because that looks horrible. Sorry, guys. So, first, outside, inside, and last. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight these in different colors so you guys can see this as I'm doing it. All right, so when I do this, what I'm going to do is, actually, I'm going to start over here. I'm going to say y plus 8, parentheses, and then y minus 8. So when I do this question, I'm going to start with the first. So the first are the first in the parentheses. So that is y and y. And you're going to multiply these things, remember, because it's telling you literally to multiply. So first are y times y is y squared. Okay? I'm going to put that there. And then I'm going to go to my outside. Okay? My outsides are the two that are on the outside of these things. So that would also be this one and that one. So y times, and don't forget, if there's a sign in front of it, remember to multiply the sign with it. A lot of people forget that, but it's okay. So y times negative 8 is minus 8y. And then I'm going to highlight that and put that there. And then next, I'm going to do my insides. My insides are the two things that are on the inside. So that is 8 times y, but the positive version of that. So that's plus 8y. And then my last are literally the last of each. I'm going to put it down there so it can look a little more neat and put together. And that's negative 8 and multiplied by positive 8, which is negative 64. So then I'm going to go and I'm going to look at this and I'm going to simplify this down a little bit. So I have y squared, right? There's no other y squareds lying around. But there is an 8y and a negative 8y and a plus 8y. Negative 8y plus 8y is 0. So there's an imaginary plus 0 there. I'm not going to take the time to write it out. I just want you to know that it's there. And then I have, at the end, I have negative 64. There's no other just random numbers lying around. So this is y squared minus 64. Now I know someone's going to say, well, Miss Evans, can I just multiply the two variables and the two numbers together? And the answer to that is no. You will not always have two y's and two numbers that cancel each other out. It doesn't always work that way. This is just one of those really neat examples where it doesn't look like you did all that stuff for nothing, but you really do need to take the time to do it, because someone is gonna go and do this way and then get the question wrong. Mark my words, it's going to happen. And I'm going to say, you didn't watch the whole video. So this is me saying it. So when you do this, make sure you're taking the time to do the whole thing out and then combine these together, because these aren't always going to equal 0. Okay, may not be on this quiz, but it will be eventually. So that is what you need to know for this. If you guys have any more questions or need to see another example or just need help, just let me know and I'll help you out. So good luck, guys, and I'll see you later.